breaking crypto world on edge as Bitcoin poised for historic surge. Hold onto your digital wallets. Industry insiders are buzzing with predictions of an imminent Bitcoin explosion that could shatter all previous records. With a shocking price target and a surprisingly specific timeline, this forecast has investors scrambling and skeptics questioning. Is this the moment crypto enthusiasts have been waiting for, or just another false alarm in the volatile world of digital currencies? Dive into the data, expert analyses, and potential global impacts of this game-changing prediction that's set to rock the financial world. The clock is ticking. Are you ready for the Bitcoin boom? The cryptocurrency world is abuzz with excitement as a wave of predictions points to an imminent and potentially historic surge in Bitcoin's value. Industry experts, market analysts, and blockchain enthusiasts are all weighing in on what could be a game-changing moment for the world's leading digital currency. The air is thick with anticipation as investors, both seasoned and novice, brace themselves for what many believe could be an unprecedented boom in Bitcoin's price. At the heart of this frenzy is a bold prediction that has caught the attention of the entire financial sector. Several prominent crypto analysts have come forward with forecasts suggesting that Bitcoin could see a massive price surge in the very near future. The most striking of these predictions points to a potential price target of $100,000 per Bitcoin, a figure that would represent a staggering increase from its current valuation. What sets this prediction? Apart from the usual crypto market speculation is the specificity of the timeline provided. According to these analysts, this monumental surge could occur within the next 6 to 12 months. This relatively short time frame has added a sense of urgency to the market, with investors scrambling to position themselves ahead of the anticipated boom. The short-term outlook for Bitcoin, as painted by these predictions, is nothing short of explosive. In the immediate future, experts are suggesting that we could see Bitcoin break through several key resistance levels in rapid succession. The first major milestone many are watching for is the $50,000 mark, which is seen as a crucial psychological barrier. Once this level is breached, the momentum could quickly drive the price towards the $75,000 range, creating a snowball effect of investor interest and media attention. One of the key factors cited in these short-term predictions is the increasing institutional adoption of Bitcoin. Major companies and financial institutions have been steadily increasing their exposure to cryptocurrencies, with some even adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets as a hedge against inflation. This trend is expected to accelerate in the coming months, providing a solid foundation for Bitcoin's value to build upon. Another important element in the short-term forecast is the anticipated regulatory clarity in several major economies. As governments and financial regulators around the world work to establish clearer guidelines for cryptocurrencies, it's expected that this will remove a significant barrier to entry for many potential investors, both retail and institutional. The halving event, which occurs approximately every 4 years and reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, is also factored into these short-term predictions. Historically, halving events have been followed by significant price increases, and many analysts believe we are currently in the post-halving phase that typically precedes a major bull run. However, it's important to note that not all experts are fully on board with these optimistic short-term predictions. Some analysts urge caution, pointing out that the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile and subject to rapid fluctuations based on a variety of factors, including regulatory news, technological developments, and broader economic conditions. Moving beyond the immediate future, the long-term predictions for Bitcoin paint an even more dramatic picture. While the short-term focus is on the potential surge to $100,000, many industry insiders are looking far beyond this figure when considering Bitcoin's long-term prospects. Some of the most bullish long-term predictions suggest that Bitcoin could reach prices as high as $500,000 or even $1 million per coin within the next decade. These astronomical figures are based on several key assumptions about the future of global finance and Bitcoin's role within it. One of the primary arguments for these long-term price targets is the belief that Bitcoin will increasingly be seen as a legitimate store of value, similar to gold. As concerns about inflation and currency devaluation continue to grow, particularly in the wake of unprecedented government stimulus measures, many predict that Bitcoin will become an increasingly attractive option for wealth preservation. The potential for Bitcoin to become a global reserve currency is another factor driving long-term price predictions. As more countries and central banks explore the possibility of holding Bitcoin as part of their reserves, the demand for the limited supply of Bitcoin could drive prices to new heights. Technological advancements in the Bitcoin network and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem are also cited as reasons for long-term optimism. Improvements in scalability, security, and usability are expected to make Bitcoin more accessible and attractive to a wider range of users and use cases. The integration of Bitcoin into the traditional financial system is another key element of long-term predictions. As more financial products based on Bitcoin, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and derivatives, become available, it's expected that this will bring a new wave of investment into the cryptocurrency market. However, these long-term predictions also come with significant caveats. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies remains uncertain in many parts of the world, and adverse regulatory decisions could significantly impact Bitcoin's adoption and value. Additionally, technological challenges such as scalability issues or security vulnerabilities could pose threats to Bitcoin's long-term prospects. Competition from other cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies is another factor that could influence Bitcoin's long-term value. While Bitcoin currently holds a dominant position in the crypto market, the rapid pace of innovation in this space means that new technologies could potentially emerge to challenge its supremacy. As these predictions circulate and gain traction, their impact is already being felt across the cryptocurrency ecosystem and beyond. Trading volumes on major cryptocurrency exchanges have seen significant spikes as investors look to increase their Bitcoin holdings ahead of the anticipated surge. The buzz around these predictions has also reignited interest in Bitcoin mining operations. With the potential for much higher Bitcoin prices on the horizon, there's renewed focus on expanding mining capabilities, which could have implications for the network's security and decentralization. In the broader financial world, these Bitcoin predictions are prompting reassessments of investment strategies and asset allocation models. Traditional financial institutions are facing increasing pressure from clients to provide exposure to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, leading to a proliferation of crypto-based financial products and services. The potential economic impact of a massive Bitcoin price surge is also a topic of much discussion. Some economists warn that a rapid increase in Bitcoin's value could lead to significant wealth concentration and potentially exacerbate economic inequalities. Others see it as a democratizing force in finance, providing opportunities for wealth creation outside of traditional financial systems. As the excitement builds and the countdown to the predicted surge continues, it's clear that the coming months will be a critical period for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. Whether these bold predictions come to fruition or not, they have already succeeded in capturing the world's attention and reigniting the debate about the future of money in a digital age. For investors and enthusiasts alike, the message seems clear: keep a close eye on Bitcoin. The next few months could bring unprecedented opportunities, but also significant risks. As always in the world of cryptocurrencies, due diligence, careful research, and a clear understanding of one's risk tolerance are essential.